I would highly recommend Masters for anyone who's serious about wanting to be the best version that they can be. Masters, it's not for the faint-hearted. There's a lot of work involved. However, there's a lot of support with that and incredibly rewarding. For me, it's changed my outlook. It's made me think about what I value, what's important in life, and really reevaluate those.
The transformation for me personally has been massive. When I arrived at Laura, I was in a bit of a nervous wreck. I just employed my first member of staff, and now I employ 10 members of staff with an aim of we'll probably be up to 30 members of staff within 3 years. So none of that fazed me, it doesn't scare me. We're on to a good future. So for me, Master Prac was, from start to finish, was amazing, but big highlights for me was the board break, because that was a huge personal development tool. It was the best feeling I could probably ever say that I've had in doing any sort of course.
Smashing the board was, in a way, it was the metaphor, if you like, for me, to actually achieve what I wanted to achieve. I'd spent many months planning the setup of the business and getting everything into place, but as somebody that had never even contemplated running my own business previously, I'd kind of thought that there were more barriers and more things that I needed to overcome before I could be successful. Smashing through the board was the picture that I could see of myself actually smashing through the barriers to me setting up my own business. That was the standout part of the Masters program for me.
Without doubt, the best bit of the Masters program for me was the breakthrough. The 2-day breakthrough session that I did with my breakthrough partner was something unlike anything I've ever experienced in my entire life. I left the program feeling as if a huge weight had been lifted off my shoulders, and I had a very different outlook on life.
Doing Masters was life-changing. I can remember halfway through my Masters even planning my next board meeting and how I would deliver the messages to the board. And I absolutely, when I'd finished the Masters course, 2 days later, I had that board meeting which I had pictured, and I nailed that meeting.
Standout moments in Masters. The breakthrough, really, the doing it, because I was quite nervous about doing it, being the practitioner, and once I knew I could do all these things, I could do all this stuff, it just felt amazing. I can do anything, I can do it. Yeah, it changed me.
Best money I've ever spent in my life. Since NLP, I can't get enough of work. With all the enhanced personal development stuff and the change I've made to me fundamentally as a person, I'm now signing up my biggest client, which is a 6-figure deal, and had I not done NLP or started my journey with Laura, that wouldn't have been possible.
I would say without question, Laura is the standout person. She is incredible. She's enthusiastic, she's knowledgeable, she's charismatic, and she knows her subject matter inside out.
I was so inspired by her the first meeting. I mean, she's so abundant with enthusiasm and just draws you in, and her knowledge and teaching is second to none.
She's one of these people where you would want to almost go for like an OBE, something really outstanding. I still don't think she realises how significant change she has on people's lives.